Hey, 8th grade, Catlin here with lesson 12 cool down for 8th grade math this week on Wednesday. And we're comparing these two different containers. We have a rectangular prism and a cylinder. This one holds pasta, and the cylindrical um, container that doesn't have anything in it. The two objects are the same height, so they're the same vertical height. And the cylinder is just wide enough for the box to fit inside, with all four vertical edges of the box touching the inside of the cylinder. So I'm going to draw a top view of what that would look like. So I'm going to draw a circle over here. Okay, so this is the top view of my cylinder. And then inside of that cylinder, we can fit this box, which I'm going to draw to be looking about like that. Right? So this box can slide down inside that cylinder like that. Now we know that this amount right here, being the same height, can hold, what does it say, 8 cups? This is 8 cups. So I guess the question is, are these areas, these 4 excess areas that we have extra, are those areas big enough to have how much extra cups of rice, right? Because it wants us to estimate how many cups of rice we think will fit inside the cylinder, which would be all of the box plus these extra spaces out here. And this is an estimation, right? We're not going to be doing any fancy math to find out exact yet. Okay. So looking at that, like if I put that and that and that and that together, I don't feel like it would make another complete rectangle. It would probably be maybe half of it. So, if I had 2 of those boxes, that would be 16 cups. So if I've got, like, 2 and a half of those boxes, my guess is probably around 11 or 12 cups, right? Somewhat like 3 to 4. I don't feel like it's gonna be more than half when I put that area extra into it. So, that's my estimation. My shown reasoning is with the picture. And I could also say it appears that area is about half of what that rectangle is. So, half of 8 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. But I don't feel like it even got to the halfway mark. So that's kind of the way that I thought about it. And it's an estimation, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You definitely need to be more than 8 and less than 16. But I think about halfway or a little less is where it would land, just based on the size of what's left over inside that box, or what's left over inside that cylinder because of what the box left over. And that's all I got for today. It's a pretty easy one. You can show that picture and then kind of have somewhere in this estimation range, and I think you'll be okay. Later, guys.